How to add gift card to Temu. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add gift card to Temu. So for that, just open your Temu account on your web browser, or you can also use this on your mobile application, and after that just log into your account. And once you are logged in, all you have to do is just click on the profile icon, and from there just go to your profile. And here, as you can see on the left hand side corner, there's a long list of things that you can explore. Just select your payment method from the bottom fourth option, and here you can see the option to add a card or debit card. So just click on add a credit or debit card. Now, in order to add a gift card to your Temu account, you have to mention the card number and the expiration date and other details that are mentioned on your gift card. So it would look similar to the credit card details. So all you have to do is just mention the details of the gift card that you have available and just click on add your card. And then you can go ahead and shop with the credit available in your gift card. So this is how you will be able to add a gift card in your Temu account. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.